Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm giving you guys my first U-part wig, and it's 100% human hair and it's affordable. So if you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you soon. Today I'm coming to you with you guys for some cheap AliExpress human hair. So I got it from the company Stema on AliExpress. So it is the Stema U-part wig kinky straight hair. It's a 4x1 U-part shape wig. I got it in 300 density and it says it's Brazilian human Remy hair. So I got it in the length 18, and there is a price difference for the density, so I picked the highest, which was 300. After tax and everything, the total price came to $105. Now I think that is a steal for an 18-inch wig, and I think this is just the most adorable unit that I've ever gotten so far. It just screams natural hair. I don't know if you guys have seen my synthetic review to this unit, but I had said in my video that that was one of my favorite units that I reviewed on my channel so far, and it still is to this day. I just love the kinky straight look. I love the texture. I love the naturalness of it. So I said to myself, I need to go and get a real human hair unit. And that's what I did. So I decided to get a U-part because personally, I don't like to glue units down every single day. I just don't have time for that. I wanted something that was a U-part that would still give me the natural vibes, and that's the look that I accomplished today. I love it. It's so cute. Shipping took about, I had ordered it on a Friday and it came to me on a Monday or Tuesday, I'm not sure, but shipping was very quick. So I was happy with that. It came in this nice box. So I was happy with the packaging. I didn't get any extra freebies like lashes or anything like that, and I'm okay with that. The hair did not have a smell when I took it out the package. It did have the lace connecting, and I just cut it off. I washed it, and I actually wore it for about a week before making this review. I did wear it to the beach. There was no tangling or shedding. It did mat just a tad in the back on my neck, but I think that's just because, you know, you move your head side to side and things like that. So it did mat a little bit, but all I did was take a brush and brush it out, and it came right out instantly. So I did wash it again after that because I went to the beach and, you know, the sand and things like that. I washed it again. The curls came right back. The curl pattern came right back. And yeah, I'm just pleased overall with this unit. So, there actually are a few cons. So it does have a clip right here, a clip back here, and a clip right here, and it has two combs in the front. It does have one comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps back there as well, but one side of my adjustable straps doesn't have the hole that it can go through. So the stitching is there, but when they stitched it, they didn't open up the other side of the adjustable strap for me to put the little thing through, you know, to adjust it to my head size. So I have been holding this unit down with some bobby pins, the white girl bobby pins, and that's what I've called them growing up, white girl bobby pins. because here are the black here are the black girl ones. Here are the black girl ones, and then here are the white girl ones. So I have been holding this wig in with this. So if you like to fight and, you know, don't wear this unit. But overall, I think this is so cute. I'm just loving the naturalness of it. I did have to bring my real hair out, and for now my real hair is like a little bit of a struggle because I am natural. I haven't flat ironed my hair in a while, so every time I'm flat ironing it, it's puffing right back up. So I have to decide if I want to damage my hair, or, you know, maybe there's something that I can use to like keep the humidity off of it. But yeah, when I went to the beach this past weekend, I did flat iron my hair, you know, like once or twice through, and I just let the hair be in its natural state, but my hair was blowing in the wind and my hair started to shrink up. So yes, I think as of right now, the straight U-part wigs are going to be off limits for me. Other than that, I'm so in love. I'm just so happy that I finally got what I wanted. Again, if you haven't checked out this video, make sure you guys check it out. But yes, it's too hot to be wearing like some heavy wigs this summer. I don't want to be gluing anything down, so I am happy with this. And this is very, very, very lightweight. So it's been very hot and humid here in Jersey, and I wore this unit a couple times and I haven't had any problems with humidity, and I'm just overall loving it. It's so cute. So I'm going to give you guys a 360. So I hope you guys are staying safe during COVID-19. It's just crazy how the numbers are skyrocketing again. Please stay out of the clubs and stay away from large groups, you guys. Come on, we need to social distance. So make sure you guys are doing that. Before we go, my husband and I started our own business on Amazon. We are selling cooling towels. You wet the towel, you wring it, and then you shake it out, and it keeps you cool during a workout, during yoga, kids in the amusement parks, hot flashes, labor jobs, and anything else that you think you might need it for. Make sure you guys check us out. The link is listed below. And support a black business. You get 2 in a pack, and I know for a fact that you will love it. So on this channel, I will be doing wig reviews, clothing hauls, some black love series. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.